Have you seen drift karting at a 1:2 scale of a real car? This is not a toy. This is a real business. Mini drift cars styled like Ferrari, Porsche and Toyota, drifting sideways, producing smoke and looking like real sports cars. 1:2 scale compared to a real vehicle electric. Depending on the venue format, custom made to match your city and style. In China, this is already a proven business model. Drift karting venues open in shopping malls, parks and indoor hangars and reach turnover very quickly. Queues, content, kids, teenagers, adults. People pay for the experience, not just for a ride. The idea: open a mini drift karting venue in your city and be among the first while the market is still empty. For orders, leave a plus in the comments.